Good morning, everybody. Up today on the CJ Nerf channel, the Busby Air Warriors Ultratech Nightech unboxing, review, and firing test. Let's go. For the price of $9.97, here's what you're going to get with the Busby Air Warriors Ultratech Nightech. You're going to get 6 suction cup darts, the blaster itself, which actually includes a pop-up, light-up sight. Very cool. Operation of the Nightech is quite simple. You simply load the suction cup darts here in the front. Simple, hit the underneath prime, turn, pull the trigger and fire, rinse and repeat. In order to make the pop-up sight pop up, you're going to simply push this little orange button here. And then, as soon as you pull the trigger halfway, of course, everything lights up. Pretty good beam there too, I gotta say. All right, guys, as you can see, the Accustrike darts ended up anywhere between 50 to about 62. The edge of my driveway there is 80 feet, so not too bad. Busby darts was a slight improvement, not too bad at all. The Nerf Elite darts were definitely the king of the hill. You're looking at probably close to 70 to 80 feet, a couple just below it. So not bad. Let's get to my final opinion. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta be honest, after the chronograph test, I was a little disappointed with it only coming in at about 62 feet per second, and I was a little worried. But I gotta tell you, after firing this blaster and doing the range test outdoors, it doesn't seem to bother me. I actually like this blaster. I love this little pop-up sight that they got going on here. I love when you pull the trigger halfway, the beam just really is powerful, I gotta say. Take a look at that. The overall look and aesthetic of the blaster is really, really nice. And I love the 6 shots. I love the underneath prime. And to be honest, for $9.97, you really can't ask for much more. So I would definitely say that the Nightech is a definite positive and would give it my buy recommendation for sure. Hey guys, before I sign off for this video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick shout out and say thank you to all my followers and subscribers. Appreciate all the support, even though that year I had to take off for personal reasons. You guys kind of understood and stood with me, and I do appreciate that. And just to give you guys an update, in case you haven't looked lately, I'm closing in on 3,000 subscribers. I'm about 110 subs away. So, you know, maybe the end of this year or beginning of 2018, it's going to start off pretty cool with me hitting a nice subscriber milestone. So, thanks a lot, guys. See you on the next vid.